Today's record number of cases comes as the Wisconsin Supreme Court refuses to weigh in on the governor's order restricting businesses' capacity. Our Madeline Anderson joining us live now with officials' continued plea for Wisconsinites to comply with the order regardless of the legal challenge. Madeline?
Yeah, so as it stands currently, the order which limits capacity for public indoor gatherings to 25% at places like bars and restaurants is not in effect. Of course, here in Milwaukee, we have our own capacity limits. Meanwhile, though, health officials say the only way we will turn the corner on this virus is to stop interacting with people beyond our household. Governor Tony Evers stressing the importance of the mitigation measures he's put in place to curb the spread of the coronavirus.
We can't do nothing.
On Wednesday, the state's highest court voted not to consider reinstating Evers' executive order limiting public gatherings.
Every time it gets kicked around, it has its ability to make a difference. Goes away immediately because there is no requirement.
The Court of Appeals blocked the order last month after Pro-Life Wisconsin and an Amory bar appealed a circuit court judge's decision to uphold the order. That decision came in response to a lawsuit filed against the state by the Tavern League. The governor's legal counsel anticipates the case will ultimately end up in front of the Wisconsin Supreme Court again soon.
We think it's important in the middle of a pandemic to have this be quickly resolved, because the longer that we're fighting about it in courts, the less time we have to implement measures that we know will save lives.
The legal back and forth comes as ICU bed capacity surpasses 90% for the first time.
We're pulling as many levers as we can.
With no safety net like the alternate care facility for critically ill patients, officials with the Department of Health Services say the state has reached crisis level.
In every region of Wisconsin, we have hospitals reporting staffing strain, as well as hospitals reporting that they are at peak census for accepting patients, for their hospital beds, and for their ICU beds.
Now back to today's record number of new daily cases. DHS officials say they do not know specifically what is contributing to the spike and are not aware of any Halloween-related events from this past weekend that could be to blame. Reporting live in Milwaukee, Madeline Anderson, Fox 6 News.
Madeline, that's the head scratcher. Everybody's asking why. Even the public health officials don't know. Maybe one day we'll find out. Thanks.